Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chef Carl, and in this video, we're making for you the viral crack burger right after this. All right, before we get started making this viral crack burger, let me show you some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. Right here, I'm starting off with some cheddar, and I'm shredding it myself. All right, so I can have a better quality cheddar. So right now, I'm just going to be doing some prep to get ready to start cooking the burgers. But there's some ingredients I gotta, get ready first. All right. All right, so now I'm at my blackstone griddle, and I'm gonna griddle off some bacon. All right, so I got my bacon cooked. Now it's time to start getting the burger mix ready. All right, so right here I'm going in with some sour cream, about a half a cup. Right here I'm going in with a cup of cheddar, going in with some ranch seasoning, going in with some Famous Dave steak rub, and I'm giving everything a mix. So the only ingredient I haven't added yet was the bacon. So I'm chopping up the bacon, and that's going to get added to the mix as well. All right. So I wanted a lot of bacon flavor in this, so I did pretty much a whole pack of bacon. All right. And I don't know if you know anything about the crack burger, but it's been going viral a lot. It's been all over the internet. And I'm giving it a try. I mean, the way people have been acting is like this burger is really like crack. Like, once you have it, you're not going to be able to stop eating it. All right. So we shall see. All right, so now I got the burger mix all ready. Now I'm going to be start forming my burger patties. So I probably have to say I'm doing like 6-ounce patties. I'm not doing smash burgers this time as I normally have done on this channel. This time I'm doing more, robust, nice, thick, big burger patties. All right. And also, if you like what you see so far, my hopes is that you'll subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Also give a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload other videos. And also leave a comment down about, anything that you liked in the video or other things you want to see me make if you're already a follower. All right, so I got my burger patties formed. Now we're back at the blackstone griddle, throwing a little oil down, spreading that out. Got my temperature probably around like 350. All right, so here I am putting the burgers on the grill. So right here I'm going with some Killer Hogs barbecue rub, which is one of my favorite seasonings. I'm just going to top the burgers with that. And right here I'm going down with some sliced onions. That's additional, so that's optional. You don't have to do the onions. But the basic recipe is the cheddar, the sour cream, the ranch seasoning, a seasoning of your choice, and the bacon. So far, I like what I see. I'm getting a nice crust on those burgers. And the aroma that's coming from that grill is incredible. I mean, whatever's going on with these burgers is definitely, you can tell just by smelling, it's going to be really good. Going down with a little bit more of that killer hog seasoning. All right, so I'm going down with my sliced American cheese. All right, and I'm gonna be topping my burgers with the sauteed onions, and like I said, that's optional. But I love onions on my burgers, so I'm gonna add them to these crack burgers. All right, so the cheese is all melted. Got the onions on top, removing the burgers from the blackstone griddle. All right, and I'm gonna bring them back into the kitchen so I can start assembling the burgers. Oh, and right here, I'm just toasting up some brioche buns. All right, so right here, I'm just making a quick burger sauce. So I'm doing ketchup, mayo. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of mustard and a little bit of relish. And that's pretty much a standard burger sauce. All right, so I'm going down on the bottom bun with that burger sauce. And here I'm going down with the burger. Now I didn't catch, I made a mistake in the video ended and it didn't catch me putting the top bun on, but you know, you get the gist of it. I'm sure it's not gonna make or break the video. But here you go, the crack burgers, the viral crack burgers that's been sweeping the internet. All right, so thanks for checking out this video. Like I said before, I hope you subscribe to the video if you made it this far. Also check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Going in for that bite. And this burger did not disappoint. Catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.